So what I've got here is the GoPro official magnetic swivel clip. It says it has a 360-degree rotation and a lifetime warranty. Comes in a box like that, showing it clipped to your backpack or onto a railing. Let's pull it out of the box here. So in there's some information on the lifetime warranty. We've got the clip here and a couple little accessories. So you've got the buckle mount and the thumb screw there, and the way you install this buckle mount, there's a little rubber piece here that you need to flip back like that, and then you can slide it in. Should pop into place like that, and then you put the rubber piece back in, holding it securely there. And then with your GoPro, pull down the fingers on the bottom here, and then line those up, and then you can put in the thumb screw here and tighten it down just like that. And again, that has the 360-degree rotation on it, so it's great for whatever angle you're looking for. It opens up like that. There's quite a bit of pressure there. This is great if you want to put it on a backpack or something like that. I've had one of these before and it worked excellent. It's too bad I lost it. And then on the bottom here, this is magnetic, so you can put that onto a door or other metal if you want to mount it to things. Very easy. This works great if you want to put it on a fence, maybe you're filming yourself, or a tree, something like that. It's really easy to set up, lightweight, really strong, and durable. And again, that's the GoPro official magnetic swivel clip with the 360-degree rotation.